studio seemed to have changed a little bit. But it doesn't matter. I'm back at the studio with something special and flavorful. I'm not going to describe the dish, but I want you guys to see it with me. So let the cooking begin. Start with the marination. First, I'm chopping the coriander. Directly take all the coriander and pass it on the chicken. Next, I'm gonna add curd. 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. Next, 1 teaspoon turmeric. Roasted cumin powder. Black pepper powder. Last, salt. Now we'll mix the marination. I'm gonna let my chicken rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. By that time, I'll start off with biryani masala. As the pan starts heating up, first I'm gonna add oil. Next, I'm gonna add cumin. Next, I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves. 1, 2. With that, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, and green cardamom. Last, few pieces of cloves. As my cumin starts crackling, first I'm gonna add chopped ginger garlic. And with that, chop onions. I've added ginger garlic and onion together to get a nice balanced cooking so that nothing gets burned and both get cooked at the same temperature. As my onions start getting translucent, now I'm going to add the marinated chicken to it. Cook the chicken on a very low heat. This will give nice flavor to the masala and also it will help release the juices of the chicken, which will give more flavor to the biryani. Saute the chicken on a low flame for at least 10 minutes, then we'll add the tomatoes. My chicken is cooked for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add tomato to it. With tomato, chop green chilies. Give 1 big stir. After mixing the tomatoes, now let's add masalas. In the masalas, first I'm going to add red chili powder. Next, garam masala, coriander powder, and little bit of roasted black pepper powder. Let's mix it up nicely and cook the tomatoes and the masala till the rawness of the tomato and the masala goes away. My tomato is nicely mashed up. Now I'm going to add little salt to it. The reason I'm adding little salt because I've already added salt in the marination. I have pre-soaked the rice for 10 minutes. This will make your work very easy. When you cook the rice, they will cook well and fast. Now let's add rice to the chicken. After adding rice, I'm going to add water to it. I'm going to add only that much of water so that my rice gets nicely immersed in it. By not mixing the rice, I get uneven shade of unmixed spices, and which in result will give me nice light dark color which looks really beautiful for the biryani. Now I'm gonna add mint leaves. Now I'm gonna close the lid and cook the biryani for 20 minutes. I'll switch off the gas and let the biryani rest for a few minutes. My biryani is ready. Now I'll open the lid. Fluff the rice with the fork so that the rice doesn't get spoiled. I'm going to garnish with coriander. Good amount of it. Now I'm going to do the plating. Take it from the side. Now garnish it with brown onions. We call it barista. With that, juliennes of tomato. And finally, chopped coriander. क्यों स्टाइल पसंद आया? And if you really like what I made, then do give us a big thumbs up, comments, and do let me know what you want me to cook next for you. But for that,
Subscribe!
louder, louder please.
Subscribe!
You need to subscribe to us. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care and goodbye.